Bad Bunny and Jay-Z are modern-day Cha Cha Jiménez and Fred Hampton, the Young Lords and the Black Panthers. This is what black and brown unity looked like back then. Fred Hampton, Black Panthers in Chicago. Cha Cha Jiménez, Young Lords in El Barrio, New York. Side by side, fighting for the people. Fred was only 21 when the FBI and Chicago police assassinated him in 1969. Why? Because he was building a rainbow coalition uniting us across color lines. The Panthers weren't just talking, they ran free breakfast programs, health clinics, education programs, and protecting the blocks. Cha Cha and the Young Lords weren't just marching, they took over Lincoln Hospital in 1970, demanding better care for Puerto Ricans. They took over the First Spanish Methodist Church in 1969, turning it into a community center, a clinic, and a school. They fought for housing, health, and education, the things we still fight for today. And when they picked up arms to defend themselves, the government moved fast. Gun laws changed overnight, not to protect our communities, but to silence black and brown power. Now make no mistake, this is what black and brown unity looks like today. Jay-Z building the stage, Bad Bunny grabbing the mic. Jay-Z and Bad Bunny, two very powerful pillars in their communities. Benito's not just for Latinos, he's respected in the black community too. When Jay-Z and LeBron trust you with their platforms, man, that's heavy. Different weapons, same fight. They're still scared of us when we move together from the streets of Chicago to El Barrio, from Brooklyn to Puerto Rico, and now to the Super Bowl stage together. The message has never changed. Black and brown then, black and brown now.
The freedom of Puerto Rico is the first condition for our freedom, for all of our freedoms. Black people, Asians, Indians, Chicanos, and all working people, whatever